Hello, guys, and welcome to We the Talented. And you guys can already tell by the title and by the thumbnail that this video is going to be about Photoshop. Yes, Photoshop. And I tried Photoshop for the first time, and it went better than I expected. I can't lie. It went better than what I expected. And if you want to be a good Photoshop entrepreneur, if you want to be really good at Photoshop, then you should 100% listen to not me, because I totally suck, but to this guy, Peter McKinney. He is McCannon. I really don't know how to pronounce his last name, but he's really cool, and I am really good at this, right? Oh, this is just great, right? But I wanted to try something new. I went to my first photo shoot, and I also tried my first time Photoshop. The first thing that I always wanted to do in Photoshop is try to remove someone from the background. That is something that I was always interested on. I don't know why, but that's something that I always wanted, and I was able to try it this time. So I'm just going to show you a little bit about how my day went. And you may also be wondering, what is this channel about? Keep posting challenges, and you keep posting this and blah blah and different things. Well, to tell you the truth, I feel that we as humans don't only do one thing. We are talented, and that's why I put my channel as We the Talented. We need to try different things, and I wanted to try a different thing today, Photoshop, and it was totally different from my comfort zone, and that is something that I would encourage anyone to do. Try something that they haven't tried before. You don't know if you're gonna like it. Even though someone tells you, oh, it's extremely hard, no one can do it. Just because that person didn't do it doesn't mean you won't be able to do it. Because my friends told me Photoshop is hard, don't try it. And Photoshop, it has its difficulties, but it's not as bad. But let's get back to the video and let's go. I was trying to reach the camera. We're currently doing a photo shoot with Mr. Silverwing and Mr. Prince, and it's hot as hell, but look at the beautiful view. But it's hot as freaking hell, my god. But we're doing a little photo shoot, and we're gonna make these special effects. I'm gonna show you guys how I did it and how the picture looked after I took it. So, even this rock is killing me. Oh my god, look at that. My ass feels burning.
What are you cooking down there?
I don't know.
Some bacon.
Stand there. Let me see. This sun is extremely hot. It's killing me.
Oh, hell no. Oh, no.
You got it.
That's smaller than my freaking palm.
We almost got it. We almost had it. We gonna get this. He almost fell. I had to go and save him. And you open your other arm.
Guess what?
Yes, and we did capture that final picture that I actually wanted. We were able to get it, we were able to try it, and we were able to take many more. Now, I used to live in the city of New York, a city that you had everything available, and the city was amazing. It had a lot of perks, it had a lot of amazing things that you can actually get, but I decided to move, and it came to a shock to everyone in my family, and that's why I've been out of YouTube for like a long time. But the reason why I moved is because I have to find the happiness for me and my fiance, for me and my wife. Together, we are trying to better our lifestyle. And being in the city that is so expensive, first of all, and yes, it is convenient in some ways, but you won't be able to see any of these Just look at the details, the beaches, the beauty of everything in here. It's just so amazing. And yes, the city has a lot of perks and benefits, and the stores are 24/7, but you will never be able to enjoy yourself just because you have those. You just have to find self happiness. And here, we are both happiness. And I encourage you not only to move if you feel like you're stuck in a place, but change sometimes can lead to something better in your life. And it has definitely been better for me and my fiance's life. But sorry to keep talking about my personal life. Let's get back to the damn video and Photoshop. Okay, so Photoshop is definitely tricky, and any single step it can look horrible. And I'm just gonna show you one of the pictures that I took. This is the normal picture. You see, it looks pretty normal. And this is the picture that I tried. Yeah, it looks messy. But even though that one looked extremely horrible, I must say that after I kept trying and trying, it got better. This is one of the pictures that I tried. And this is, you can totally see it's Photoshop and totally over edited. But then, as I kept trying and trying, I was able to get this one to this one. And as you can see, I removed the stool. And it was not easy, because if you watch the videos that I was watching, they told me that you had to take the stool in that video and actually remove it from the picture and then take the picture. But unfortunately, that is concrete and it's on the ground. I wasn't able to lift that up. So, the long story short, it was a nightmare because I wasn't able to use it and I couldn't remove it, so I had to Photoshop my way, and it looks horrible, but I was able to get it. Now, the second picture, and this one to me is my favorite because this is the picture that we kept trying over and over again for him to stay in that same position like this. And this is the original picture. He had to have someone help him. But then, this is how I was able to turn it into like this. And in this picture, I was able to actually remove a person. And not only a person, I was able to remove an entire background. And if you looked into these pictures, these three pictures that I took or that I tried to remove in Photoshop, you can actually see that in one of them, I removed everything but him. And I kind of made him a little bit less colory so he can seem that he's actually in the picture. But then if you notice, he's actually in two others, he still is on top of that, and then it looks like he's trying to balance himself. And the reason I left that there is because I believe that little detail, you can still see it, but yeah, it doesn't look great, guys. It's my first time, and I still believe that I did okay. It wasn't bad. But this one, to me, I really enjoyed making this one. And it didn't take as long as the others, but this is the original one. And this is how I was actually able to do it. And I must say, I'm quite happy with how it turned out. And even though, it can look a lot better, for me, it looks just fine at this moment. I'm going to keep practicing and I'm going to keep getting better at it. I'm pretty sure that if you put the dedication into something and try different things, and if you really, really try to learn something out there, then you totally will. And I must say, I enjoy Photoshop. I enjoy everything. And this is just how life is. If you are not happy with something, what's stopping you from going and doing what you actually want? Go ahead and do it. I was able to do it. I had a very good job. I had full of family, but I was not happy in my living place. So I packed everything and moved. Yes, and I moved back to this beautiful, amazing place. I am enjoying my view right now, and I am not going to complain. So we the talented out. But in the meantime, check out more of those videos and hey, leave a like and also subscribe to the channel.